Charlie, look. What's Mama got?
I'm the girl.
Car. Mummy, see you later. Give me a kiss. Diggy 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 diggy. Kiss. Love you. What day is today? What day is today? What do we do today?
I'm going to your house.
Mummy and Dad are going to go and get the keys.
Yes.
What do you think about that? How exciting!
Yes, sir. I'm going to go in your house with the carpet.
There's no carpet yet, no. There's nothing in it. So Mummy and Dad are going to get it all sorted for you and Charlie. Good morning guys, it's Friday the 19th of October, which feels like a date in the calendar that's been like haunting us for the last, what, 2 months or so. Just obviously because we've been trying to get moved in and whatever. So Fraser got a call this morning, that's everything gone through for the mortgage, and we're now on our way to pick up the keys and start moving stuff in. Now obviously at the moment we don't have any flooring or carpet, so we still have like another probably week or so of like doing some work in the house, putting in the carpets, tiling, beds and all that kind of stuff. So it's still going to be a while before we're actually in, but we're on our way with some of the stuff from my gran's house, some essentials like the kettle, milk, tea, coffee and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to give you an empty tour once we're in, but we're really excited. I was really nervous this morning before it all went through. I don't know, I felt as if, what if like the money didn't go through or something bad happened, but it's all gone now. So we're on our way like 10 minutes before we should be meeting them anyway, so we're nice and early. And yeah, about to go and see our new home. Delivery already?
Ashreid.
Oh, it's me, thank you very much. Oh, and candles. Oh, thank you very much. No, my Durban flowers have sent us stuff.
That's nice.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
Thank you, yeah, thank you.
Just moved in the day. Well, literally about an hour ago.
Just got the key. Oh my god guys, so that is us in. We've done all the checklisty stuff and we've looked around and seen everything, we're quite happy. But my carpet guy just happened to be going by and thought, just check and see if he's in and maybe get the carpet started. So that's what he's doing now. So he's just having a quick look outside to where he can park and stuff. And then he's going to come in and do the carpets. So what I'll do just now is give you a quick tour, because it's all going to change very quickly obviously. So let me go down to the front door first and then show you from the start. So here's the front door. Me. And then this is the hallway when you first come in. And then when we turn around here, this is our living room. So at the moment it looks really small, and they always look like this when there's like no furniture in them. It's funny, but yeah, this is our living room here. I love that big window. I'm trying to get the best angle for you guys to see it. See it, lovely big window, and then we just look into the side of someone's house, which is quite nice. We've got a little kind of front garden, and then we've also got another little window here, which is nice. So this is where we're planning on putting the TV on this wall here with our unit, and then obviously carpet, a wee lamp in the corner, and then our couch over here, like that. Oh, and we have got Coven. Fraser, we have got Coven. I've got Coven, look, it's all the way around. So I was wondering if we were going to get it or not. My camera keeps steaming up because it's quite cold. And then in this little door here in the hallway, this is how you get to the garage. Yeah, let's stick the heating on. And then Fraser's just fixing the little heating just now, just to set it to a wee timer. There we go. That's it. The wee flame's on, that's what it's saying.
Start doing the programs.
Fraser's going to start doing all the techie things.
Mom, I'm well out by that time. So.
4 AM start.
Half 5.
Hi, how are you doing? And then down here is our little downstairs cloakroom toilet. So I'll pop the light on. Ta-da! So we've only got like a little small splashback here. I think we will eventually do something quite cool in here. We've been looking at Pinterest, and I quite like the idea of doing like wooden kind of panels here or something. I don't know, we're kind of still in talks to what we're going to do. And then we've got a little radiator, and then the window, and then in here there's a big massive cupboard under here which is huge. So what I'm planning on doing is getting a socket put in here so that I can like plug things in, like my heated dryer and stuff like that, and it's kind of out the road in this nice wee space, because otherwise it'll just end up a dumping ground. So we're going to use that as an airing cupboard. Like that, I gave it a title. The airing cupboard. And then obviously through here, just close this door, is the kitchen. So I'm just going to stand over this side so you can properly see it. So that is our kitchen. Look at my Red Bull. This is the kitchen, and then I'm standing in the diner just now. So open plan kitchen diner, and then I got a cashmere kitchen fitted. So it's high gloss, sort of like cashmere off kind of white, sort of coffee colour. Really, really like that colour. And then we've got the big huge cooker hood with the kind of like stainless steel splashback, and then it's a gas hob, which I'm really excited about because we've never had one before. So yeah, got the black gas hob, and then one oven, which at first I was kind of like, that's annoying, we've only got one oven, because I've had a double before, but see really I never use a double, I always just use one, so it really doesn't make any difference to me at all. And then all the doors are like soft closing and stuff, which is nice. And then one of the things I was really nervous about was our worktop. I'm going to show you over here actually, because you can hardly really see it properly, but it's called scratch stone. And at first I was like so excited to get it, and then I was told apparently it's really patchy in places, but I love it. It's so nice, it's quite rustic and industrial, which is what I was looking for. And then I've obviously got my sink here, so it's like a sink and a half with a draining board, and then all the cupboard space under here, including my cutlery drawer. And then there's like other bits and pieces in here, like that. And then I've got my dishwasher and also the fridge with my milk in it. Talk about essentials. And the freezer. So that's all good to go. And at the back I'm pretty much looking on to nothing. This is the back garden. I'm going to go out and show you that in a second, but if you can see, like we pretty much look on to zero. That is all going to get moved, all that dirt, so there'll be nothing we look into once we're in properly. And then in here is the utility room, which is nice that it's off the kitchen and it's separate. So in here I'm going to have like my tumble dryer, my washing machine, and then we've got a sink as well, which is ideal when you've got the dog too. So it means when we're going a walk we can bring her back in, wash all our stuff here, or if Fraser's got football or anything, or just generally we're dirty and we've been out a walk or whatever, we can come in here, dump our shoes and stuff and just get it all cleaned up. And then obviously I've got the matching worktop in here as well, which is nice. And then we've got all sorts of like little plug points here. We've also got the on and off switch for the washing machine and tumble dryer, and I love how they've labelled them. How cute is that? Washing machine and tumble dryer, and then 3 switches for like all the different lights. Don't quite know what they work yet. And then what's also good is we've got an extractor fan here as well, so I can like turn that off on here, so that if I've got like stuff in the tumble dryer, it's not going to feel really, really warm in here, or it's not going to get damp. And then I need to find a nice light for in here as well, guys. I've seen one online that I really like, so hopefully that'll go nicely in here. But it's all very exciting, decorating stuff coming on this channel very soon. And then in the corner, it's pretty like bare obviously. I've got these kind of like nice under counter storage spaces, and then here's where I'm going to hang up my Dyson cordless. So I've got my plug point here so that I can put the little kind of holder in that corner, which is going to look really cool. And I love these doors actually. I wasn't too fussed on the internal doors, but I do like them being all white. And then the back door. Look at this. About to make my very first cup of tea in the house.
Lives there. Then we can put like our cappuccino thing there. Yeah. Oh!
Look at this situation right here. First cuppa. So I was planning on taking up the stairs to show you up there, but it's a bit noisy. There's a lot going on, so I'll wait till the cuppas are down and then I'll go straight upstairs. He's just bringing in all the stuff from the car, like being a total champ, and I'm just making cups of tea. So he's got all the rubbish that we need to sift through. What is this, all the classes and stuff? I could just start putting these away, sure I could. And that is exactly what I'm going to do, so I'm going to do a wee time lapse, I think. Someone's in my garden. Hello. This is so weird, I feel like I'm in somebody else's house, just messing around. But anyway, I'm going to try and find a place for everything just now, because otherwise it's going to be chaotic. There's a digger over there. Can you even hear what I'm saying? Probably not. Anyway, let's just keep on moving. Like that. Yeah. Oh. Decoration. Yeah.
Right, so here.
Fraser's got his priorities right. He's like, stick that up at the window, it looks nice, and it does. Oh, fake orchid. The guy's digging up the garden, hey. Yeah, it was such an annoyance for me having to go down all the panes, but now I can just like wipe one piece of glass. It's so much easier. Hiya. Alright, okay, no worries. Anytime after 1, did you say? Alright, okay, that's fine, no worries. Okay, that's great, thank you, bye bye. What's in there? I'm making cups of tea and coffee with Charlie's baby spoon. That's the carpets all fitted. Right, so that is the carpet down in the living room just now, still needs to be hoovered, and then I got my blind fitted. So these ones here, I got roller blinds just because I really like the look of them, but I got these senses things, which basically is like a little sort of like pelmet, so you don't see the roller underneath, which I just think finishes it so well. So yeah, very, very pleased with that. So the guy's just away. I actually got somebody from Topcat blinds. I'll leave a link to them because they've got so many nice fabrics to choose from. So I'm not getting a blind in the kitchen, I'm getting like a Roman blind made out of the same fabric that we're doing the curtains in, and that is going in on Tuesday. So I think that'll make such a difference when that one and that one kind of like match up together. And then in here I'm not going to put anything on the back door because it's frosted, and this is going to be closed over anyway, so I can just kind of close the door. But at the moment I'm just like kind of like writing down what is happening next week so that I know every day what's going on. So today obviously it's carpet and blinds. Nothing tomorrow, so probably just a moving day. Sunday is going to be TV and wash machine, getting my flooring started on Monday and Tuesday, sky, whatever. So that's all kind of getting put into the calendar so that I know where we're at. And then just now I've got this candle here. It was delivered by Mud Urban Flowers, so you must have seen my delivery just come in there from the flower place, and then they also delivered these 2 candles. So I've got one here, it's Peony, which is the pink one, and it's just such cute packaging, I love it. It's so nice, finally in focus. This one, Jasmine, is amazing. It's already filling up the room. It smells gorgeous. It's just different from that kind of like new house smell. So yeah, just kind of try to get things organised. It's weird seeing the light change in here as well because it's went from being really light to then darker. I'm now kind of looking forward to the guys finishing upstairs so I can show you up there, because I haven't even toured it without the carpet down or the blinds in, and now it's going to feel like a proper finished room just without furniture, which is good in a way because obviously I wanted things to move quickly, but I don't think it's going as quick as this. So yeah, all going to plan. So Fraser and Tam have just left and I have come back, so they've emptied some of the storage unit and put things into the garage, which is good. And now I have got all the plates and stuff from my grand's house and I'm going to put it away in the cupboards. So yeah, at the moment I've got all these to deal with, and then this box here, I had to get another box because the other one broke. So excited?
Yeah.
Come on then. Remember what we got to do as soon as we get in?
Shut up.
Shoes off, that's right. Right, come on then.
Is that the garage?
That is the garage, yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Come on then. Go, go. Hey, wait, let me see. Oh, good girl, that's right. Shoes is off.
I can't get
You
one.
take this off now?
Yeah.
What you say there?
Look at her putting her wee shoes away. There's your new living room.
Yeah. It's time.
What do you think? Hear him shouting, hide, hide.
Give me 2 seconds.
Hide, hide, hide.
Let's go up.
You can't go upstairs yet, Ella, come down, Ella, Jaggy, Jaggy. Guys are putting the carpet in, okay? So you can't go there, but you can go and look in the kitchen if you like. Kitchen's in that way. This is the kitchen. Ellie be for 2 minutes. Are you dancing? Yay! Take that out.
Jump into that.
Ella, are you excited to see your room?
Yeah.
See that?
This is your room.
You get tons of space.
What do you think of it? You like it?
Put your bed across there, maybe.
That's a good idea.
And then, like, if you have enough space.
Oh, Daddy, hoover it all. Ah!
There here.
How satisfying is that?
It needs a thingy on it. You know?
Needs the what?
Suction, no? You put the suction on?
No? That's the absolute best one, but it's a bit much.
Just move that.